Hi everyone, it's Andrew from RunSensible. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know about managing your accounting and financial tasks on our platform. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Let's begin. Welcome to RunSensible. RunSensible empowers you with full control over your financial management by automating key tasks and offering flexible options for manual transactions. The software simplifies processes such as tracking invoices and managing expenses that are entered directly into the system, which reduces the need for manual work and minimizes the potential for errors. This automation ensures that your financial records remain accurate and up to date. For added flexibility, RunSensible allows you to manually record transactions that occur outside the software, ensuring that all your financial activities, whether automated or manually entered, are consolidated in one system. This centralized approach gives you a comprehensive and accurate view of your financial standing. To begin managing your finances in RunSensible, start by clicking on the Accounting option located in the left side menu. This will take you to the dashboard of accounts, a structured and organized space where you can view and manage the financial data of your company. The dashboard is divided into several sections, each dedicated to a specific aspect of your finances, allowing you to access and understand the key details of each financial component. In the Bank Accounts section, the dashboard displays the balances of different bank accounts, including the Trust Bank and the Operating Bank. For each account, you can view the current accounting balance, which reflects the total funds available or any liabilities if the balance is negative. Additionally, the Earned Trust Funds line provides information on any accrued trust funds within each account. A label indicating no reconciliation transactions with a corresponding number shows the number of reconciliation processes completed or logged for each account. This feature provides transparency regarding the reconciliation history, helping you understand the status of each account. The Account Receivable section provides a clear summary of the money owed to your company by clients. The running balance figure represents the total amount of unpaid invoices, offering a quick view of outstanding receivables. Below this, two additional indicators specify the status of invoices. One displays the number of invoices that have been fully paid within the current month, while the other shows the count of invoices with remaining balances. This section offers a straightforward snapshot of expected income from clients, allowing you to monitor cash inflows effectively. The Operation Expenses section tracks the company's expenses for the current month, giving insight into your spending patterns. It shows the cumulative amount of expenses incurred so far, enabling you to monitor operational costs closely. A percentage comparison with the previous month is included, highlighting any changes in expenses. If this percentage is positive, expenses have increased compared to the same period in the previous month. If negative, expenses have decreased. This comparison provides a quick understanding of monthly expense trends, helping you manage and forecast operational spending. The Profit and Loss section provides a summary of your firm's financial performance, displaying net income, and expenses for both the current and previous months. The net income for the current month is prominently displayed, indicating the company's overall profitability or loss. Alongside this, the income and expense values show the total revenue and costs recorded for the period. A month-over-month percentage change in net income is also presented, showing the difference from the previous month. This section is valuable for evaluating the firm's financial health over time, allowing you to track whether income and expenses are stable, increasing, or decreasing. To view all accounts in RunSensible, click on the Chart of Accounts tab. This will display a table of all the accounts in your system, organized for easy reference. The Chart of Accounts table is structured with four main columns: account number, name, type, and balance. The number column features a unique numerical identifier assigned to each account, aiding in organization and quick reference. The name column provides a descriptive title for each account, clearly indicating its purpose. The type column classifies the account based on its category, offering insight into its role within the financial structure. Finally, the balance column displays the total amount associated with each account, reflecting the sum of all inflows, outflows, and adjustments. This balance offers a quick snapshot of the financial status of each account. To add a new account, click the New button located at the top right corner of the screen. Begin by assigning a unique number in the number box to help organize and identify the account. Next, enter the account name in the Account Name box to define its purpose. Select the appropriate account type from the drop-down menu to classify the account, ensuring it aligns with your financial structure. If you want to make this account a sub-account under another account, activate the Sub-Account button, then choose the parent account from the drop-down that appears. Enter any relevant details in the description box to provide additional context or notes for the account. Once all fields are completed, click Save at the top right to add the new account to your chart of accounts. To delete an account from your chart of accounts, first, locate the specific account you wish to remove. Click on the three-dot menu on the left side of the account row, then select Remove from the drop-down options. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Yes to finalize the deletion. This action will permanently remove the account from your chart of accounts. If you need to make changes to an existing account, you can do so through the Accounts Detail panel. Click on the blue account number in the number column, or access the three-dot menu on the left of the account and select Show Details. This will open the Detail panel, where you will find editable fields for all account information, such as the account number, name, type, and description. Make the necessary adjustments, then click the Save button at the top right to update the account. To adjust the appearance of the Chart of Accounts table, click on the Customize button on the left side of the screen. This will open the Customize Grid column page, where you can tailor the display to suit your preferences. You have the option to enable or disable specific columns by toggling the Show Column button on or off. Additionally, you can adjust the width of each column by changing the values in the Width field, allowing for more or less space for each column. If you prefer to rename a column, modify the text in the Title field. To rearrange the column order, click and hold the Reorder button on the left side of each column and drag it up or down as desired. For more precise viewing, you can filter accounts based on specific criteria. To do this, click the Filter button at the top right corner of the Chart of Accounts page. This will open filtering options where you can organize accounts by account name, account number, account type, or balance. This feature allows you to quickly locate accounts that meet particular conditions, making it easier to navigate through a large list of accounts. For more detailed instructions on using the filter feature, check the How to Filter Across the Platform help video. To review all transactions associated with a specific account, click on the arrow button located on the right side of the account row. This will open a transaction panel, displaying a detailed list of every transaction that has taken place within that account. This feature allows you to monitor and track the flow of funds in and out of the account, providing a comprehensive view of its activity over time. Once you have personalized your accounts, navigate to the Journal Entries tab at the top of the screen. Clicking on this tab will display a comprehensive list of all recorded transactions in the system. The Journal Entries section includes detailed records of all financial transactions, such as invoices, expenses, and other monetary activities. These entries are logged automatically by the system as you complete various financial tasks, providing a reliable record of all financial movements within the software. If you need to record a transaction that has not been automatically captured by the system, you can add it manually. To start, click on the New button in the Journal Entries section. Begin by entering a unique reference number in the entry box. This will make it easier to search for and identify this transaction in the future. Next, specify the date of the transaction in the Journal Entry Date box, ensuring accurate chronological tracking of your financial activities. To record the details of the transaction, begin by selecting the account involved. In the Account column at the bottom of the page, click on the first account box on the left. This action will open a drop-down menu listing all accounts available in the system. From this list, choose the account related to the transaction. After selecting the account, determine whether it should be credited or debited based on the nature of the transaction. Enter the corresponding amount in either the credit or debit column next to the chosen account. If more than one account is involved in the transaction, move to the next account box in the column and repeat the process. Select the appropriate account, specify whether it should be credited or debited, and enter the corresponding amount. If additional accounts need to be included, click the Add button located at the top left of the account column. This will add more account boxes, allowing you to input as many accounts as necessary for the transaction. To maintain accuracy in double entry accounting, the total credits must equal the total debits. An interface in the right corner of the screen displays any discrepancy between the credits and debits. This number should read 0 to indicate that the entries are balanced. If there is any difference, double-check the entries to ensure the totals match. For each account involved in the transaction, you may also include additional information to enhance the record's detail. In the Pay Name column, enter the name of the individual or entity receiving the payment, if applicable. This provides clarity about who was paid or who received funds in the transaction. In the Memo column, you can add extra notes or details about the transaction, such as its purpose or any relevant background information. This can be helpful for future reference or when reviewing the transaction history. After completing all fields and ensuring that the credits and debits are balanced, click on the Save button located at the top right corner of the screen. This action will save the transaction as part of your financial records. By following these steps, you ensure that all relevant details are accurately recorded, providing a complete and organized log of your financial activities. Bank accounts have unique characteristics within the accounting system because they require more detailed information than other accounts. By entering comprehensive bank account details into the software, you can accurately track transactions and simplify the reconciliation process, ensuring that all bank-related activities are properly recorded and managed. To access your bank accounts within the RunSensible software, click on the Bank tab located at the top of the screen. This will take you to a page displaying a list of all bank accounts currently set up in the system. If you need to add a new bank account, click the New button in the top right corner. This action will open a form where you can input the necessary details for the new account. When setting up a new bank account, the first step is to select the account type that best matches your needs from the provided options. Keep in mind that once you have chosen an account type and saved it, this selection cannot be changed later, so it is essential to make the correct choice from the start. Next, enter the account number in the Account Number box to ensure accurate identification and tracking of the account. In the designated fields, provide the bank name, account name, branch number, branch name, and branch address with precise details. These details are essential for correctly recording the bank account's information in the system. Once you have completed all required fields, click the Save button at the top right of the screen to finalize the setup and add the bank account to your list of accounts. If you need to update certain details of an existing bank account, locate the account under the COA column and click on the corresponding link. This link will open a detailed page dedicated to that specific bank account, where you can review and edit information. On this page, you can modify fields such as the account name and account number to keep the information up to date. However, it is important to note that the account type cannot be altered once it has been set, as it defines the account's fundamental classification within the system. At the bottom of the bank account details page, you will find the Is Active toggle button. This toggle allows you to control the status of the account and determine whether it can process transactions. When the Is Active toggle is turned off, the account is deactivated, and no incoming or outgoing transactions can be processed through it. This feature is useful if you are closing the account or need to temporarily suspend transactions for specific reasons. Deactivating an account restricts all further activity, effectively pausing its functionality. Even after deactivating a bank account, you will retain access to all historical reports and data associated with it. This means that all past transactions, balances, and activity details will remain available for review, allowing you to retain a complete record of the account's history. If needed, you can reactivate the account at any time by toggling the Is Active button back on, resuming its ability to process transactions. This flexibility ensures that you can manage the account status as needed while maintaining a full historical record for reference. Bank reconciliation is the process of comparing the company's bank statement with its internal records of transactions to ensure accuracy. The goal is to verify that all transactions recorded in the company's books align with those reported by the bank. This process helps identify discrepancies and maintain accurate financial records. To begin the reconciliation process, click on the Reconcile tab at the top of the screen. This action will bring you to a page displaying a list of all past reconciliations recorded in the system. Each reconciliation entry provides a summary of details and history, allowing you to keep track of completed reconciliations. Each entry is organized into two main columns, amount and end date. The amount column shows the actual balance of your bank account at the time of reconciliation, giving you a snapshot of the account's financial standing when it was last balanced. This is essential for verifying that the company's internal records match the bank's reported balance accurately. The end date column indicates the cutoff date for the reconciliation, meaning any transactions recorded after this date are not included. This date helps define the exact period covered, ensuring that you are only working with transactions recorded up to that point, which prevents potential discrepancies. On the far right of each reconciliation entry, you will find a Report button. Clicking this button opens a detailed report panel, providing an in-depth summary of the reconciliation process, including any discrepancies or adjustments that may have been made. This report allows you to review the reconciliation's accuracy and completeness, offering valuable insights into the matching process. If you entered any amount in the bank error box during the reconciliation and need to inform the bank of the discrepancy, you can generate a document by clicking the Report button. This document, which includes details of the discrepancies, can be downloaded by clicking the Download button at the top of the Report panel. Once downloaded, you can send this report to the bank to request a correction in their records. You may also save or print a hard copy of this PDF for your records. To initiate a new reconciliation, click the New button at the top right of the screen. Begin by entering a name for the reconciliation in the designated box. From the Bank drop-down menu, select the specific bank account you wish to reconcile. In the Amount box, enter the ending balance as stated by the bank. Next, select the end date that reflects the final date of transactions included in the reconciliation. After completing these fields, click Save to create the new reconciliation record. Once saved, you will be directed to the Reconcile page. To perform the reconciliation, you will need your bank records to compare them with the transactions in your accounting books. At the top of the Reconcile page, you will see the reconciliation details, including the name, bank, and end date. Below, 3 boxes are lined up horizontally, displaying key balances. The bank ending balance reflects the final amount per the bank's report, while the book ending balance shows the final amount recorded in your accounting books. The goal of the reconciliation process is to make the bank ending balance equal the book ending balance, achieving balanced records. If you encounter any discrepancies between the bank's records and your books, enter the difference in the bank error box located in the middle of the 3 boxes. This box allows you to log any errors you believe exist in the bank's records, which can later be reported to the bank for correction. Below the balance summary, you will find a list of all transactions recorded in your accounting books. Carefully compare each transaction with those in your bank statement. For every matching transaction, tick the checkbox beside it, confirming that it aligns with the bank's records. Input the amount in the bank error box and make any necessary adjustments to the transactions in the software. Once you have completed the review and confirmed that the debits and credits match, click the Save button located on the right side of the screen to finish the reconciliation process. This action will finalize the reconciliation, updating your records to reflect the verified balance, ensuring the financial integrity of your accounts. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. As always, we want to thank you for choosing RunSensible.